This update is brought to you by TBG Earth Work and Maintenance. For any property cleanup or demolition, commercial, residential, or industrial, call or text 812 584 5249. All right, we do have a few showers and storms that are going on here tonight. Nothing severe, but you got some efficient rainmakers that are continuing to move through. Even a few gusts of wind. Let's get over to the radar right now. Let's look at things as a whole. And you'll see we've got those showers. First off to the north here, this stuff is not severe, but was severe back in Illinois. And even when it was around the Indianapolis area, this is just some maybe a 20-30 mile an hour brief gust of wind from, let's say, north near Batesville through north of Osgood right now, near Scipio, north of North Vernon, approaching Crothersville here over the next few. So this is nothing that's too significant, okay? But you may hear a couple rumbles of thunder as this is moving through. But this is a dying line of showers and storms here. So over the next little bit, we should be in the Lawrenceburg area by around 10:30. Same thing for Aurora, Greendale. You're going to be around in that time frame. Other showers and storms down here a little bit further off towards the south. Just in southern Owen County here, you've probably been hearing a lot of rumbles of thunder, seeing maybe a little bit of lightning at Tackett's Mill. And then as we go into parts of Scott County, north of Georgetown, Sadieville, Cynthiana, seeing some showers and storms right now. And then as we go into parts of Robertson and Mason County, south of Mount Olivet near Piqua, seeing a pretty good downpour. And then starting to see some more showers and storms starting to go up now into parts of Mason County. So just kind of keeping our eye there on that. And then one near in Ripley there in southern Brown County, seeing a quick downpour that's starting to come up there. So we're not out of the woods yet tonight for showers and storms. So don't be surprised if you continue to see some of that activity here over the next little bit. Now, speaking of the overnight time frame here and keeping that in kind of perspective of this conversation, it has been pretty warm for overnights here over the past several weeks here. And as a matter of fact, within the past 30 days, we see some of the warmest overnights on record. So, very interesting stat there that I found there. And something I wanted to share with you. The other thing that I want to share with you is we're at a 3.72 inch surplus of rain so far for this year. We've added 2 inches this month. There's parts of southern Indiana on the drought monitor that are abnormally dry, which is kind of shocking when you've thought about how much rain a lot of us have seen around the area. Since January 1st, over 30 inches of rain. And that's, a good amount of rain as we're halfway through the year here. So here's some of those weather extremes for you. And you'll see Stovepipe Wells, California, you're 116 degrees today. McKay, Idaho, 33. Those were the cold and warm spots across the tri-state, or not tri-state, the United States here today. So I wanted to show you a couple of these photos from yesterday sent through the Weather Pulse app from Osgood, Indiana. Cynthia sending that in. Posted these last night. And then Manchester here, Elizabeth sending this through the app, showing that the shelfie or shelf cloud that was rolling through southeastern Indiana last night. And you've got some more storms that are rolling through right now. We hit a high today of 86 at CVG. You can see that's our average. Record high is 99. It gets warm this time of year. It can get warm. It's going to. I think as we get into parts of next week, we're going to see very warm temperatures and potentially another heat wave to come through here. Our low was 72. Notice that average is 66. So yes, we are well above that average temperature like we talked about. And then your rainfall was about almost 0.2 of an inch of rain, adding to 2 inches so far, a little over 2 inches for the month here. Outside right now, 80 in Cincinnati, 84 in Owenton, 82. Good evening to you in Madison. Connorsville, you're at 80 right now. Greensburg at 79 with some rain-cooled air that's moved through. 81 in Maysville, 79 in the Hillsboro area here tonight. Dew points have been significant here over the past several weeks. It's been very humid, and we're getting to that time of year, the corn starting to grow up. and we tend to get what's called corn sweat. And especially here in southern Indiana through central Ohio, and we'll likely see dew points surge up into the upper 70s, maybe spots in the 80s here. And sometimes when we get some of these systems that move through, they can feed off a lot of moisture. We can get some pretty good storms that'll roll through here. 74 is the dew point there in Louisville, 73 in Cincinnati. It's very tropical, 73 in Columbus. So that makes these storms that come through efficient rainmakers. Future radar shows that cluster off towards northwest that moves and dies out here overnight. In the morning, camp roll out an isolated shower. More showers and storms as we head into the afternoon on Thursday. There could be a few severe storms, especially south of Cincinnati. Not a lot of wind energy, okay? But there could be a couple of these that can get organized and have a rogue severe thunderstorm warning or two. Watch out for localized flash flooding through this whole entire event here over the next several days. And then as we head into the weekend, I wanted to show you this. This is Friday, okay? But as we get into Saturday, we're going to have more showers and storms, but I want you to watch Saturday night, okay, into Sunday morning. See this here? This could be what we call a meso scale system here, and this is, or MCS, and this could be moving into our area here anywhere Saturday night, Sunday morning, even Sunday evening. We could be seeing a threat here. So I do think damaging winds could be a potential here as we get into your weekend. So just stay tuned for that. So this week here, low rain chances, moderate rain chances Thursday and Friday. This color didn't update, but Saturday and Sunday, I have bumped that up to high rain chances here. So for your forecast for tomorrow, we're going to be 78, scattered showers and storms, storm chances throughout the entire day for tomorrow. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. I've got showers and storms here in the forecast, all right? So Thursday, Friday might scale back just a smidge, but you can see the best chance of storms is going to continue Saturday and Sunday with temperatures in the upper 80s. And then the story as we go forward here, Tuesday and Wednesday next week, we start to lose those chances of rain somewhat, and we start to see the heat return, and it will get hot. I do think there's going to be several days in the 90s with heat index near or above 100 degrees. So you want to stay tuned for that because it's going to get very, very hot and humid here as we head into the next week here. So make sure you got that Weather Pulse app to keep you ahead of these showers and storms. And also, even if there's some severe weather that swings through here, Weather Call, sign up today for that. That's a great service. You just scan that QR code and it'll keep you ahead of these storms that move through. And also alert you if there's lightning. I know football season's starting to start up for some of these kids out here in the tri-state area. And let's get those lightning alerts sent straight to your phone. And it'll also alert you when it's safe to get back outside again here. So, all right, that's it for now. Hope you have a great evening, and I'll catch you back here tomorrow.